Dear viewers, I welcome you all to this new video. In this video, I am going to share with you the previous year paper of BG 5th semester skill enhancement course guidance and counseling. This will give you an idea about what sort of questions you will be asked in your exam and also the paper pattern. So prepare yourselves according to this paper. Now let us get started. BG 5th semester December January 2019 2020. Education guidance and counseling. Time allowed 2 hours. Maximum marks 60, minimum marks 24. Note: attempt all questions from section A and B and only 2 questions from section C. Section A short answer type questions 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Question number 1, why do we need guidance? Question number 2, who said guidance is a process of helping the individual through his own efforts to discover and develop his potentialities in order to better adjust to the environment? Question number 3, list out the 4 foundations or bases of guidance. Question number 4, what is personality? Name any 2 projective techniques of assessing personality. Question number 5, what is cumulative record card? Question number 6, name 2 testing and 2 non-testing techniques for studying and appraisal of an individual. Question number 7, name 2 types of counseling with their chief exponents. Question number 8, define counseling. Section B, medium answer type questions 4 into 5 is equal to 20 marks. 9. Question number 9, describe in brief the history of guidance movement in India, or enumerate the characteristics of guidance. Question number 10, briefly explain the socio-cultural foundations or basis of guidance, or state the uses of personality tests in guidance. Question number 11, what is cumulative record card? Enumerate the characteristics of cumulative record card, or highlight the uses of education and occupation information services. Question number 12, highlight the steps involved in directive counseling, or enumerate the qualities of a counselor. Section C, long answer type questions 2 into 8 is equal to 16 marks. Question number 13, what is guidance? Discuss the need and importance of guidance. Question number 14, discuss the psychological and philosophical foundations or basis of guidance. Question number 15, what is meant by occupational information? Mention its purposes. Question number 16, give the important features of directive and non-directive counseling. How does directive counseling differ from non-directive counseling? This was all regarding the paper, previous year paper of guidance, skill enhancement course guidance and counseling. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.